What's up, guys? Crypto Commit here. Real quick, let's take a look at Kaspa. Forgive me, my screen is a little dusty, a little dirty. All right, guys, if you look here on the daily time frame, you'll see that Kaspa is actually still in this triangle pattern. All right, nothing has changed much with Kaspa. All right, I told you guys in the last video that Kaspa could come all the way down here to the 6-cent level, and as you can see, we still got a good support level right here around this 6-cent level. Okay, all right, now we can come all the way down. Why? Because we are still trading in this triangle pattern. All right, we're sort of in a no man's area right here. Okay, but if you look closely, actually, let's see, if you look closely, if we pull up some of our support levels, yeah, you'll see that we got a good support here around this 8-cent level here. Okay, so we could come here and possibly bounce. We could possibly bounce here at the 8-cent level, but I think it's more likely that we'll come down to the 6-cent level. So technically we're bearish, and if we want to confirm that, we could just look at the MACD. Yeah, guys, you take a look at this MACD here, and you can see clearly MACD is moving downwards. Yeah, MACD is going down. So Kaspa is likely going to come down to the bottom of this triangle pattern, and I think we're going to see a bounce. All right, because remember, we got all that support here at the 6-cent level. All right, once we get that bounce, well, we need to confirm that bounce. All right, with some fair value gaps. Take a look at the market structure at the time. All right, but we still have a breakout target of 15 cents for Kaspa on the bullish side, and the bearish side, if it breaks below, it's below 1 cent. All right, I don't think that's gonna happen. It's just not very likely. All right, fair launch and all. Kaspa just has great fundamentals, pumpamentals. Okay, so with that being said, guys, again, Kaspa has a bullish target of 15 cents. All right, and we are still traveling within this triangle pattern. All right, we're gonna bounce at that 6-cent level, most likely. We're gonna come down to the 6-cent level, like most likely, and bounce. All right, but once we come down to the 6-cent level, I'll make another video, and we will confirm that bounce, and I'll let you guys know if we're actually gonna bounce or likely break down, or if we're more likely to break down. All right, but as of right now, I'm still bullish as long as we are trading within this triangle pattern, as long as we're above the 6-cent level. All right, that being said, guys, I'm Crypto Commit, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.